small space, big impact, transforming tiny front yards into stunning outdoor oases. In urban settings where land is at a premium, tiny front yards are often overlooked as mere pathways or spaces for essential utilities. However, the potential for creating vibrant outdoor oases, these small spaces, is boundless. With the right landscaping ideas and creative landscaping techniques, you can turn your compact front yard into a functional outdoor space that makes an impression. Innovative small yard design ideas. Transforming your tiny front yard into a captivating outdoor oasis begins with a well-thought-out small yard design. Aim to maximize every square inch through the use of smart planting techniques and space-saving furniture. For instance, consider vertical gardening options that allow you to grow plants upward rather than outward. This not only adds greenery but also draws the eye upwards, creating an illusion of height. Incorporating multifunctional elements is also crucial. Opt for benches with integrated storage or ornamental planters that double as seating. These additions not only provide practicality but also ensure your small front yard remains organized, enhancing its aesthetic appeal. Garden inspiration for compact gardens. Finding the right garden inspiration for compact gardens can spark creativity and help you envision how your tiny yard can become an outdoor sanctuary. Consider themes such as Mediterranean, Japanese Zen, or lush tropical designs, all of which can be tailored to fit smaller spaces. Whether you're an avid gardener or just starting, select plants that thrive in your climate and are suitable for scale. Small flowering perennials, shrubs, and ornamental grasses can add color and texture without overwhelming the space. Additionally, look for ways to incorporate water features like a small fountain or bird bath, which can provide a soothing ambience and attract local wildlife. Even a modest-sized water element can significantly enhance the sensory experience of your outdoor living area. Maximizing outdoor living. The essence of transforming a tiny front yard into an outdoor oasis is creating meaningful and functional outdoor spaces. Designate areas for relaxation, such as a small patio or a cozy nook with cushions and ambient lighting. Even a compact table and chairs encourage outdoor dining and increase your home's livability. Don't shy away from creativity in your landscaping approach. Use colorful paving stones or unique fencing to delineate spaces while creating visual interest. Layering plants with varying heights and textures can provide depth and invite curiosity, making your small yard feel larger than it is. The power of small. In conclusion, the mantra "small space, big impact" rings especially true when it comes to tiny front yards. With thoughtful small yard design, effective landscaping ideas, and a sprinkle of creativity, you can craft an enchanting outdoor oasis that transforms your home's exterior. Embrace the potential of your compact garden and turn it into a space that not only fulfills your functional needs, but also connects you with nature, enhancing your outdoor living experience. So, roll up your sleeves, tap into your garden inspiration, and watch as your tiny front yard blossoms into a vibrant sanctuary that leaves a lasting impression. In today's urban living environment, spaces can often feel limiting. However, the right approach and creative landscaping ideas, you turn your tiny front into a stunning outdoor that not only enhances home's curb appeal, also provides functional outdoor spaces for relaxation and enjoyment. Maximizing your small yard design. The key to a successful small yard design lies the use of clever landscaping techniques that prioritize both and functionality. Start by assessing the space and think about how you can incorporate that bring both beauty and utility. For example, vertical gardening is a solution for small yards, allowing you to utilize and fences for greenery, sacrificing ground space. Might also consider incorporating beds or container gardens, which provide an ideal way to grow plants while maintaining a tidy and organized appearance. Garden inspiration for compact gardens. When it comes to choosing plants for your front yard, opt for varieties that complement each other and create a cohesive look. Perennials not only add beauty but also return year after year, making a smart choice for long-term investment. Evergreen shrubs can add structure, while colorful flowering plants provide bursts of color throughout season. Incorporating a variety of textures and heights can make your outdoor space more expansive and visually interesting. Creative landscaping solutions for small spaces. Incorporating hardscaping elements such as pathways, seating areas, and decorative stone can also make a significant impact in small spaces. A well-placed bench or garden chairs invites outdoor living and encourages you to enjoy the beauty of your Additionally, consider using materials like pavers or gravel to create a stylish, maximizing your space for gatherings or simply unwinding in the fresh air. Enhancing outdoor living with functional spaces. The use of lighting can further the ambience of your tiny front yard, making it an inviting outdoor oasis even the sun goes down. String lights, lanterns, and ground-level lighting create a warm, welcoming atmosphere that adds charm during evening hours. Don't to add personal touches such as artwork, decorative pots, garden sculptures to infuse your personality into the design. In conclusion, transforming tiny front yards into outdoor oases is entirely achievable with the right landscaping ideas. By implementing thoughtful small yard design strategies that focus on maximizing space, incorporating varied plant life, and considering both hardscaping and lighting, you can create an outdoor environment that leaves a lasting impression. Remember, with determination and creativity, a small space can indeed make a big impact.